So today we are going to see what prepositional verbs. We have already given the screenshot of that, isn't it? So now I am going to explain that what is that. So see here, prepositional verbs. Some verbs are usually followed by prepositions before the object of the verb. So prepositions, if the preposition followed by the verb, then that is called what? Prepositional verbs. See the example. The kids laughed at hilarious antics of the clown. So the kids is a noun. Laughed. Laughed is a what? Laughed is a verb, isn't it? So the kids laughed. The kids laughed itself gives you the complete sentence. The kids laugh. So the kids laugh at. So atna என்ன அர்த்தம் யாரை பார்த்து சிரிக்கிறாங்க. So laughed it's a verb and then at. So at is the preposition of movement, isn't it? So the kids laughed at the hilarious antics of the clown. Clown means what? Clown means what? Jokers. Jokers. Isn't it? So the kids laughed at the hilarious antics of the clown. So here we have laughed at. So you need to underline laughed and you need to underline at. So under laughed you should write verb. Laughed is your verb. At is your preposition. Laughed is your verb and then at is your preposition. So we are calling it as a prepositional verb. See the next one. Fatima planned to stay at a hotel when she visited Mumbai. So Fatima planned. So planned is a verb, isn't it? So planning. So she is planning something. So planned is a verb. To what? To stay at a hotel. So to is a preposition. Planned to. Planned to is a prepositional verb. And then third one, I have pressing matters to attend to in Kolkata. Attend is your verb and then attend to, that is to is your preposition. And then fourth one, I believe in the healing power of a mother's touch. Believing means what? Having a hope. Believe means what? Having a hope. So having a hope in what? In a mother's touch. So in. In is your preposition. Believe is your verb and then in is your preposition. So here 4 examples were given. First one, the kids laughed at the hilarious antics of the clown. Underline laughed, verb and then at is your preposition. And then second one, Fatima planned to stay at a hotel when she visited Mumbai. So planned is your verb and then to is your preposition. I have pressing matters to attend to in Calcutta. So attend is your verb and then to is your preposition. Likewise, believe is your verb and in is your preposition. Yes. So this only yesterday I have given you as a homework. Isn't it? Have you completed your homework?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
So see
ma'am.
the next one. She was so happy in life that she could not ask for more. So ask means what? Asking. So கேக்குறது. So ask for more. So இன்னும் கேட்க மாட்டேன். So because I am fulfilled, so I am not ask for any more. So ask is your verb and then for is your preposition. And then see the sixth example. The elderly couple care for their pets as they do for their children. Again, care is your verb, and please mute yourself. Care is your verb and then for is your preposition. Care for என்ன அர்த்தம்? யாருக்காக அவங்க கேர் பண்றாங்க? So they are caring for their pets. And then see the seventh one. I agree with. So you should know the meaning for both agree and with. So agree means what? Agree means what? Accepting. Isn't it? So agree என்னது அவங்களோட டிஸ்கஷனுக்கு அக்ரி பண்றது, ஒத்துக்கிறது. வித்னா யாரு? வித்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? யார் கூட நீ ஒத்துக்கிற, யார் கூட நீ அக்ரிமெண்ட்டுக்கு ஒத்துக்கிற, அதுதான் என்னது? அக்ரி வித். So you are agreeing with whom? So I agree with everything you have said. I agree with everything you have said. So agreeனா என்னது? ஒத்துக்கிறது. வித்னா என்ன அர்த்தம்? யார் கூட நீங்க வந்து ஒத்து போறீங்க. So agree with everything you have said. So agree is your verb and then with is your preposition. So see the exercise. Frame sentences using the prepositional verbs given in the box. So here we have given some prepositional verbs. You are going to frame questions. Who is calling? Who is shouting there? Hey, who is singing there? Please mute yourself. So see the first one. Benefit from. So benefit from. So benefit means what? Benefit na என்ன அர்த்தம்? பயன்கள் இல்ல. So where you are getting some benefit. And then stand in, stay at, go into, prepare for, pay for, rely on, joke about, consist of, attend to. So these are all the examples. Sorry, these are the questions they are given. So you are going to write the answer for this. So we have already written the answer for this, isn't it? Yesterday itself I have sent you the answer for this. So now you are going to tell the answer for one by one. I am going to ask you a question. You are going to tell the answer for one by one. If you have written the homework properly, you can say the answer. Can I ask you? So first,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Priyadashni. Yeah, Priyadashni. Tell me sentence for the prepositional verb consist of. Consist of. You are going to tell the answer. Priyadashni, please unmute yourself and say the answer. 9th A, Priyadashni. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Anyone? Latika,
Ma'am,
please
shall I, ma'am?
tell me your name.
Vinita, ma'am.
Vinita, yes, Vinita, tell me the answer for the frame the sentence for the word consist of.
The class consists of 50
You
students.
should not say the same example, same sentence. Frame a sentence of your own. Anyone? Preeti? Yes, Preeti. Preeti, please unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Unmute yourself. So now you are going to tell the you are going to frame the sentence for rely on. Rely on. Can you hear me?
yes,
Rely.
ma'am.
Rely means what? Rely means what? Depend. So rely na enadhu? Depend பண்ணிருக்குது. So now you are depending upon your
Mother.
mother, parents, isn't it? So I am depending upon my parents. Clear?
I
So I
am
am not
depending.
Yes, tell me.
I am relying on my mother.
Super. So you should know the meaning of the prepositional verb. Then only you can frame a sentence for that. Clear? Next, Janani. Have you written the homework? Have you written the homework? Can you hear me, Janani?
Ma'am.
Yes. Frame a sentence for the word stand in. You can say the same
He is
sentence.
standing in the table.
No, 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 no. Next, Monica. Monica. Yes, Monica. Please visible your video. Yes, Monica. Monica.
Ma'am.
Monica.
And
Yes, frame a sentence for prepare for. Prepare for. Monica, please on your video.
ma'am, can I hurry?
Yes, you can say Harini.
I prepare for my exam.
I am preparing for my examination. So prepare for means what? You are preparing for something, isn't it? So you are preparing for something. So You are preparing for what? You may prepare for dance competition or something, dance competition or drawing competition. Anything you are preparing for, isn't it? So at the time you can say I am preparing for my dance competition. I am preparing for my quiz competition. I am preparing for my examination. Anything you can write. So check your answers. So benefit from. So this only I have sent you yesterday. You are merely copying. So it is clear. It is clear here. So benefit from. So benefit from means what? The benefit from trees is immense. So we are getting so many benefits from trees, isn't it? So benefit. Benefit na என்னது பயன்கள். So from na என்னது எதுல இருந்து நீங்க பயன் அடைகிறீங்க? So you are getting benefit from trees. So the benefit from trees is immense. Immense means what? Great, huge. So you are getting so many benefits from trees. And then second one, stand in. So I stood in for my friend at the discussion. So எப்பவுமே நம்ம எதனா பிரச்சனை நம்ம ஃப்ரெண்டு கூட தான் நிற்போம் இல்ல. So how to frame a sentence for that? I stood in for my friend at the discussion. So next third one, the children stayed at their grandmother's house during the vacation. Stayed where? At their grandmother's house. So stayed is your verb and then at is your preposition. Stayed at na எங்க தங்குனா. So where they have stayed at their grandmother's house. Next, go into. So past tense of go is went. So you can frame a sentence like this. She went into a trance. Fifth one, prepare for. I am preparing lunch for my guest. That also you can write. We are preparing for the exams vigorously. Vigorously means what? Seriously. We are preparing for the exams vigorously. No need to write the same sentence. If you have a different sentence means you can write. Otherwise you can search some sentence using these prepositional verbs from the Google also. So next sixth one, pay for. So pay means what? To give money, isn't it? So pay for. So எதுக்காக நீங்க pay பண்றீங்க? So let me pay for the lunch. Let me pay for the lunch. So they are paying money for the lunch. See the seventh one, rely on. So rely on means what? Rely means what? Depend. So what is the meaning for rely? Dependence. So you should not depend upon anyone, isn't it? So you should stand on your own legs. So rely means what? Dependence. I can't rely on you. நான் சொல்லுவோம், நம்ம பேசும்போது சொல்லுவோம், நான் உன்னை நம்பி இல்லைன்னு சொல்லுவோம்ல. So அதுதான் என்ன அர்த்தம்? I can't rely on you. I can't rely on you. Next, eighth one. The boys joked about. So joked about means what? Making fun of. So you people make fun of your friends, isn't it? So that is your hobby. So that is your time pass. So like that, here also the boys joked about their friends' performance. Joked about means what? Making fun of. Make fun of. Next, the class consists of 50 students. So consist means what? It's a group. The class consists of 50 students. Attend to. The doctor attend to the patient day and night. They should know the meaning for each and every prepositional verb. Then only you can frame the sentences. Otherwise, you are not able to frame a sentence. And also, you should know at least 3 sentences for each prepositional verbs. So, if you take stay at means, you should write 3 sentences for that. If you are taking a prepare for means, you should write 3 sentences for that. Then only you have some idea how to use these words in your day-to-day life. If you memorize this, then it is of no use. Can you get me? So what I am telling, after this class, you should search different sentences using this prepositional verb. Clear? Can you?
Yes, ma'am.
At least 3 sentences. At least 3 sentences for each prepositional verb. So you should find out 30 sentences. So benefit from 3 sentences, stand in 3 sentences, and then stay at, go into, prepare for, pay for. For every prepositional verbs, you should find out at least 3 sentences. It is easy only. So you have a mobile phones with you, so you can search easily. Clear? So after this class, this is your work. You should find out and you should send me. So last week also I have told you, but only 3 or 4 students only sent me. Preeti and then Preeti and then one more girl. Only 3 students or 4 students only send me. Others they didn't send me anything. Yes, ma. Ramya. Ramya also sent me. Ramya and then Preeti and one more girl. I don't know her name. I forgot. Actually, sorry. Only 3 students I have sent. So out of 64 students, I have received only 3 task. Yes. So today you should write and send it to me. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So next,
Yes, ma'am.
see what is given here. Synonyms is given here, isn't it? So for synonyms also, you should know both meanings and opposite for each and every word. So see what is the first word given there? Emulate. I often try to emulate the mannerism of my favorite players. Emulate means what? Imitate. ஸோ ஒருத்தவங்கள மாதிரி இன்னொருத்தவங்க நடிச்சு காட்டுறதா என்னது இமிட்டேட் சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல. ஸோ அப்போ எமிலேட்டுக்கு மீனிங் என்ன? இமிட்டேட். ஸோ இஃப் யூ ரீட் லைக் திஸ் யூ நெவர் ஃபர்கெட் தட். Emulate. Emulate means what? Imitate. Next, second one, pursue. So pursue means what? Follow. Pursue means what? Follow. So everyone should have an inspiration, isn't it? So like that, here also he have some inspiration and he wanted to become a good cricketer. So I wanted to pursue cricket seriously. Pursue means what? Follow. Next, third one, overawed. Overawed means what? Excited. Actual meaning is excited. What is the answer given here? Intimidated. Next, fourth one, induction. Induction means what? Inclusion. So what is the opposite word for inclusion? What is the opposite word for inclusion? So inclusion என்னது? Inclusionனா join பண்றது. So அப்ப exitக்கு என்ன வரும்? Exclusion. Exclusion, inclusion, exclusion. Next,
Okay, ma'am.
the schedule was rigorous. Rigorous means what? Severe. So severeக்கு opposite என்னவா இருக்கும்? Rigorous opposite என்னவா இருக்கும்? Easy. The schedule was easy. So for each and every word, you should know both synonyms and antonyms. Then only you can easily know the answer for that. Next, see the sixth one. You would talk to me about the nuances of batting. So nuances means what? அதுல இருக்க சின்ன சின்ன நுணுக்கங்கள். ஸோ ஒவ்வொரு விஷயத்திலும் நுணுக்கங்கள் இருக்கும். எப்படி டிரா பண்ணணும், எப்படி வந்து பெயிண்ட் பண்ணணும்னு சொல்லிட்டு எல்லாத்துக்கும் ஒரு நுணுக்கங்கள் இருக்கும் இல்ல. ஸோ அதுதான் என்னது? நியூவன்சென்ஸ். நியூவன்சென்ஸ் மீனிங் என்னது? நுணுக்கங்கள். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் த ஆன்சர் ஃபார் தட்? சட்டிலிட்டிஸ். ஸோ சட்டில்னா என்னதுன்னா அதுல இருக்க சின்ன சின்ன விஷயம் கூட, மைன்யூட்டான விஷயத்த கூட ரொம்ப கேர் பண்ணி பாக்குறதா என்னது? நியூவன்சென்ஸ். See the second one, cocktail. Cocktail means what? Mixture. Actually, cocktail means what? Mixture of drinks. Not mixture of drinks, mixture of something. Cocktail name என்ன அர்த்தம்? மிக்சர்னு அர்த்தம். Mixed items. So what is the answer given here? Mixed drink. Next, eighth one. Sir would spot me in the meal and virtually drag me out. So meal means what? Confused crowd. Ninth one, practice hard and see what magic can transpire. Transpire means what? Reveal. Transpire means what? Reveal. What is the opposite word for reveal? What is the opposite word for reveal? What is the opposite word for reveal? Can anyone tell me?
Hide.
Hide. Hide. Next, 10th one. He was a stern disciplinarian and did everything he could for me. So strict. Strict. What is the meaning for strict? Stern. Stern. So I'll repeat. Emulate, imitate, and then pursue, follow, overawed, intimidated, inclusion, induction, inclusion, rigorous, severe, nuisance, subtle test, cocktail, mixed fruit, mixed drink, meal, confused crowd, transpire, reveal, strict, stern. Yes, I have sent you the blueprint also, isn't it? So synonyms 2 marks, antonyms 2 marks, and then vocabulary 2 marks, grammar 2 marks, question answer 6 marks, and then paragraph and memory poem 9 marks. So this is your blueprint. So if you memorize paragraph and question answers and then memory poem, then you can easily get 16 marks. So now see the antonyms. We already seen, isn't it? Pursue. Pursue means what? Follow. Here we are going to see the antonyms. So what is the opposite word for pursue? Give up. Give up. So what is the meaning for pursue? Follow. What is the opposite word for pursue? Give up. Second one, it helped me to build up physical and mental stamina. Stamina means what? Strength. So what is the opposite for stamina? Weakness. So meanings for stamina is strength. Opposite is weakness. Third one, dirty clothes often added to the embarrassment. Embarrassment means what? Discomfort. So opposite word for discomfort is comfort. Actually embarrassment என்னதுன்னா தர்ம சங்கடம் சொல்லுவாங்க. அதுதான் என்னது embarrassment. So meaning for embarrassment is discomfort. Opposite word comfort. Fourth one, immense. Immense. Immense means what? Great, huge. What is the opposite word for this? Little. And then fifth one, transpire. We have already seen this in synonym. Transpire synonym, reveal. Opposite word, hide. Sixth also we have seen, isn't it? Strict. What is the meaning for strict? Stern. What is the opposite word for strict? Easygoing. So if you read like this, then it is easy to memorize. Seventh one, punished. So punishment. Punishment means what? Giving penalty. So what is the opposite word for punished? Exonerated. Eighth one, insane. Insane means what? Stupid things. Doing stupid things. That is only called what? Insane. Doing crazy things. So crazy is given there, isn't it? So crazy is the meaning for insane. What is the opposite for crazy? Sensible. So ninth one, I had often take the bus or train from Bandra to Churchgate. So often and artham, adikadi, regularly, frequently. So what is the opposite for often? Rarely. Tenth one, comfortable. Please mute yourself.
Comfortable.
Tenth one, comfortable. What is the meaning for comfortable?
Uneasy.
Cozy. Cozy. I am asking you meaning, not opposite word. Cozy. So what is the opposite word for comfortable? Uneasy.
Easy.
Yes. Now you have some idea, isn't it? So how to read synonyms and antonyms. So you should know how to read the synonyms. If you read the synonyms and antonyms with the meaning, then it is easy to find out the answers. Clear? So how many of you know the full poem? Stopping by woods on a snowy evening. How many of you know the full poem? No one? No one? Tuesday has
Ma'am,
given
I
you
know,
memory
ma'am.
poem.
Ma'am, Jeevita, ma'am.
Jeevika and then Ritika and then what
Ma'am,
about others?
Monisha, ma'am.
Monica and then Sri Haripriya.
Mom, Preeti. I know, mom.
Others are contributing.
Vinita, ma'am.
So can I ask you? So can I ask you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I'm going to ask you one by one. So you are going to tell the stanza. Which stanza I'm asking, that only you should say. Clear?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
please, if my voice is not clear, please say now itself. Is my voice
It's
clear?
clear, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Clear, ma'am.
Now, Deepashri, Deepashri, please visible your radio and on your mute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Ma'am,
Tell me the first stanza.
whose woods these are? I think I know. His house in the village, though. He will not see me stopping here to watch its
You are
woods fill
seeing
up
and tell
with.
me. You should not see. Listen, you should
Ma'am,
not see
no.
the book. Hey, I
Ma'am,
know
I
what you are doing.
didn't.
Close your
Ma'am,
book.
I didn't.
Close your note and say. Close your note and say.
Ma'am, I didn't.
Close your
Again,
note and
I didn't.
okay. Close your notes and say the answer. Yes. Say the first answer.
Whose wood? I didn't think it.
Hey. First line
Ma'am,
itself
no, ma'am,
wrong.
I didn't.
Who suits? Who suits? Tell me the first
Ma'am,
line. Who suits? Who sued? Tell me the first
whose
line,
wood
ma.
these?
Who?
I'm saying, ma'am, whose wood there are? I think I know. His house in the village,
Hmm.
though he will not
Hmm.
see me stopping here
Hmm.
to watch his wood
Hmm.
fill up with snow.
Hmm. Super.
Ma'am, I really
Haripriya.
I didn't have.
Okay. No problem. Haripriya. Yes, you can unmute yourself. Haripriya, unmute yourself. Haripriya. Haripriya. Sivashri. Sivashri. Tell me the second stanza. First, place your phone properly. Unmute yourself. Tell me the second stanza. Ma, I'm not able to hear you. Where is your headset? Where is your headset? Don't have headset with you? I'm not able to hear you then. Next, who else? Aarti? Aarti?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me the second stanza.
my little horse must think it yours to stop without a farmhouse near between the wood and Salisbury Lake, the darkest evening of the year.
Good. Next. R. Kirtana. R. Kirtana.
Yes,
Please
ma'am.
visible your video and R. Kirtana. Tell me the third stanza.
He gives his honest bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake.
Hmm.
To ask if
Hmm.
the only one sounds the sweet.
Hmm. Who else?
Of
Who else?
Ma'am, shall I Preeti?
Nitishri?
Ma'am,
Nitishri?
Jeevita, ma'am. Ma'am, Sudarshana, ma'am.
Preeti is going to tell the full poem. I won't give you choice. Preeti is going to tell the full poem.
Okay, ma'am.
Preeti and then Ritika and then Bhavana.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? Lily Blessy?
Yes.
Lily Blessy? Tell me the third stanza. Lily Blessy, tell me the
He
third
give his
stanza.
he
He
give
gives
his
a
abundant
harness bell.
harness bell to shake to ask if there is some mistake.
Hmm.
The only other sound
Hmm. On the steep.
the deep
Yes, Preeti.
lake.
Yes, Preeti, tell me the full poem. Others, please listen.
Okay, ma'am. Stopping by woods on a snowy evening. Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in a village, though he will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it can't stop without a farmhouse near, between woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year. He gives a harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only sound that sweeps of easy
Easy.
wind and downy flakes. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep. Robert Frost.
Super. Next, who else? Who is going to tell the full poem?
Ma'am, Jeevika,
Hamda.
ma'am.
Wait, Hamda. Please visible your video.
Ma'am, I cannot able to on my video, ma'am. Network issue,
Who?
ma'am. Hamda.
Ritika. Hamda.
Hamda.
Visible your video then. It is
I
on
cannot
only.
on my
You are
video.
unmute. What you are using? What device you are using? Mobile phone or laptop?
Mobile phone, ma'am. I'm in my
In mobile
native
you.
place, ma'am.
So you have options, right? Mic, video, share, mute all, everything you have, right?
I cannot on my video, ma'am.
So okay, tell me the poem then. Have you read the poem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you say the poem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tell me.
Whose these are? I think I know. His house in the village. True, he will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think to stopping without farmhouse near, between with woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year. He gives his bells a shake to ask if there
Horn of
is
bells,
some
I say.
mistake. The one other sound a sweep of easy wind and downy flick. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I promise to keep and miles to go before I sleep and miles to go before I sleep.
Good. Next, who else?
Thank you, ma'am.
Good.
Ritika, ma'am.
Next, Ritika. Yes. Tell me.
Ma'am,
I will
Jeevika,
ask
ma'am.
each and everyone. Please be ready.
Okay,
Ritika.
ma'am. Can I say? Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Stopping by the woods on a snowy evening. Whose woods these are, I think I know, is ours in the village, though I will not see stopping here to ride the woods fill up with snow. My little horse must be think it queer
What the woods?
to stop
Yes.
farmers to stop without a farmers near, between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year, is give his armor's bells a shake to ask if there some mistake. The only other sound the sweep of easy wind and snowy flake.
Downy
The
flakes.
woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promised to keep, and miles before I go, I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. Robert
Miles
Frost.
to go
Thank you.
before I sleep. Next,
Thank you,
Nandini.
ma'am.
Nandini. One by one, you are leaving.
Ma'am, Vanaja.
Mohana. Mohana. Mohana Shri. Are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Mohana, can you tell me the poem?
Yes, ma'am.
Visible your poem, visible your video. I want to see everyone's face.
Ma'am, I can't hear a voice.
You just tell me the poem. Yes, can you hear me now?
No, I can't hear you, ma'am.
No need to hear my voice. Just tell me the poem. I can hear you. Yes, tell me the poem, full poem. Mohana. Who else?
Ma'am,
Who else, ma?
Ma'am, Jeevita, ma'am.
Ma'am, Subhasna.
Who is K. Adi Shivan? What is his full name?
Ma'am, K. Preeti, ma'am.
K.
My
Preeti. Yes,
brother
tell
is
me the poem. Okay, no problem. Tell me the poem.
whose would this or I think I know to stop without a farmhouse near. He will not see me stopping by a woods and without to watch without fill up with the snow. My little horse must think it cure to stop with to stop without a farmhouse near between the woods and Fozone Lake. Fozone Lake. The darkest evening of the year. He gives is gives his
Arnold Bells Estate.
armor is gives armor
Arnold.
armors of his shake to ask to
If there is a mistake.
it's have some mistake. Um,
Anyone? Nityashri? Nityashri? Unmute yourself. Yes, tell me the poem. Slowly. Visible video?
Ma'am, visible only, ma'am.
No?
Ma'am,
I'm not able to see you.
ma'am, visible only, ma'am. Visible
G.
only, ma'am.
Nityashri.
Ma'am,
On your video, ma.
all only having, ma'am. Visible
Okay, tell
only,
me the
ma'am.
poem. Tell me the poem.
Stopping by woods on a sunny evening. Those woods, these are, I think I know. His house is in the village. Though he will not, he will not see me stopping here. The watch to watch his woods fill up with Sony. My little horse must it cure to stop without a farmhouse near between the woods and Fosun lakes, the darkest evening of the year. He gives his bells a
Okay,
shake.
okay. Good
Arm.
stuff. Wait. Priyadashni. Priyadashni. Priyadashni, can you hear me? Priyadashni, can you hear me? Tell me the poem.
Whose wood these are, I think I know. His house is in the village through. He will not see me stopping here to watch his wood fill up with snow. My little heart must think it's fair to
Think it's
stop
here.
without a farmhouse near between the woods and the frozen lake. The darkest evening of the year.
Okay, good.
He,
Next,
he given
Niveda.
his
Okay, Priyadashni, you can unmute yourself. Niveda.
Ma'am,
Tell me the third stanza and fourth stanza.
mistake the only
Please use headset, ma. I'm not able to hear you. Don't you have headset with you?
Ma'am, Jeevita, ma'am.
I'm not able to hear you, ma. Niveta.
ma'am.
Ma'am, Jeevita, ma'am.
Wait. I will call one by one.
He gives, he gives his harmless bells a shake. Ask if there is some mistake. The only here sound is deep, easily wind and downy flakes. The wood lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep and the months to go before I sleep and the months to go before I sleep. Robert Frost.
Ramya,
Ma'am, to the
Ramya,
ma'am.
D. Ramya. Yes, tell me the poem.
Who puts this or I think I know. His house is in the village too. He will not see me stopping her. To watch his foot fill up with snow. My little horse must think it pure. To stop without a farmhouse near. Between the woods and far lake, the darkest evening of the year. He
Okay,
gives
good.
his honor.
Okay. Ramya, wait. Ma, others, don't waste your time. You can read. You are simply sitting as if you know everything. Other students, please go through everything. Sit and go through everything. I will ask anyone at any time. Monisha,
Ma'am, can I?
Monisha,
Ma'am,
Monisha.
ma'am,
Yes. Tell me the poem.
ma'am. Stopping by woods in snowy evening. Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village though. He will not see me stopping here. To watch his woods fill up with snow, my little horse must think it queer to stop without farmhouse near. Between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year.
Okay, good.
He gives us honest bells.
Jivita,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, tell me.
Full poem, ma'am.
You just try to say.
Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village, though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it cure to stop without a farmer's near. Between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year, he gives his for
Okay, stop.
harmless bell.
SP Nivedika, SP Nivedika, Nivedika. Yes, tell me the poem.
Stopping by woods on the snowy evening. Whose woods these are, I think I know. His, his house is in the village, though he will not see me stopping here. The woods to watch the woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near. Between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year. He gives his honest bells a shake to ask if there is some mistakes. The only other sounds the sleep. The only other sounds the
Stop.
sleep of easy wind and
Yuvashri, yes, tell me the poem. Yuvashri, tell me the poem. L. Yuvashri, can you see? Can you hear me? Yes, tell me.
Whose these are I think I know. Whose these are I think I know. He asked is in a village.
His house.
He will not. Ma'am,
His house is in the village, though.
he will not see me stopping here
watch his woods full with snow. My little horse must see is being paid.
Think
You
it
were
your
thinking you to stop without a farmhouse near.
okay, good. Bhavana, yes, Bhavana. Yes, continue.
Yes, ma'am.
Continue.
I know his house in the village, though he will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with fill up with wood fill up with
Fill up
wood.
with snow. Fill up with snow.
Sorry, ma'am. Fill up with snow. His horse must think it care to stop without a farmer's care. But between the ma'am, shall I say from the first, ma'am?
No, continue.
Between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year, he gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake, but only other sound beat of east wind and down flake.
Okay, good. Malini. M. Malini. Wait. M. Malini. Malini. Can you hear me? Sudarshana. Yes, you can continue.
Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house in the village, though he will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little house must think it
Little
pure.
horse. House.
Horse must think it pure to stop without farmhouse near. Between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year. He gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sound the sweep of easy woods and downy flake. The woods
Okay.
are
Okay,
lovely
stop. Now listen. We are going to end the class. I already told you what is your task today. So you should find out 3 sentences for each prepositional verb and you send it to me. Clear? Can you do that? Can you do that?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I want you to send. Everyone should send it to me.
Okay, ma'am.
So you can exit the class one by one. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Don't forget to go to.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.